am Cocorobo. You know something? My capabilities are far beyond your imagination. I can do this, that, and even that too. You'll keep praising me, saying I can do a lot. I'm an intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner. What? How much is a lot? Well, let me explain. The first thing that I can do, I will thoroughly clean up even fine dust. You see? I even clean dust in hard-to-reach areas like in the seams of wooden floors. With the HEPA filter and high-density plasma cluster ions, my exhaust air is extremely clean. While I'm cleaning the floor, I also eliminate viruses, bacteria, and allergens in the air. The second thing that I can do, communicate with me using your smartphone. I have a camera installed on my body, so you can monitor your room from my point of view. And there's more. While you're outside, I can take pictures of the rooms and send them to your smartphone to let you know what's going on. Your smartphone can also be a remote control to guide me all over the house from your screen. You may even find items you have lost under your sofa. Or you can also call your pet from the next room. The third thing I can do, I'm very friendly. I understand your commands. Call me when I'm at the charging station. I'll be right there. I can speak a little bit. I return greetings and sometimes even speak to myself.
好久不见.
Long time no see. I speak a little bit of Chinese, English, and Japanese. You will find many other useful aspects of me too. I light up your way during blackouts and at night. With all that, I'm Cocorobo, an intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner that makes life easy for you. Stay tuned, I shall continue adding my abilities in the near future. Cocorobo cares and loves you.